I was supposed to get 100 pieces of this, but okay. So there's that. Check my face. These are acrylic oval beads. They're nice. I got some. Ooh. These are super small. These are seed beads. Super away. Super duper small. So you guys can see that. Okay, and I got some more. I really like small beads. They just make things look really nice. Here's this. Super duper small but very beautiful. I got some buttons. I just sewed these and I realized I didn't have buttons and Joann's too expensive. Like 3 buttons for $10. Yes, I'm joking. Like, I mean, their cheap buttons are like I don't know, 100 for 40. Still precious. Got some spacer beads, some more Japanese seed beads. These are super duper small. I got a pack of spacer beads. Came like 1,000. So that, and then I got some like bright green seed beads. I got some like little geometrical pattern beads, some green seed beads, yellow seed beads, some gray transparent seed beads. I thought these were gonna be bigger, but these are like fake something. Well, these are gold filled beads. I paid, I think, $30 for this because it's gold filled. It's 18K, I'm not sure. These are pretty. These are super duper tiny, clear, transparent white seed beads. Like the micro this time. And there's this. Then I got this color. It's a very beautiful. It's like a dark purple. You guys can't see that. Then I got some like gold plated. These aren't gold filled. These are gold plated in a. Oh no. Are these? I know I got a gold plated one, but gold plated is also expensive, so I don't think that's that. I just got some spacer beads. I got some more chain. This one isn't much, but it's really, really pretty. Like, it is so beautiful. There's that. I got some more chain. Like I said, I'm obsessed with chain. What I got here. It takes so long to get here that I forget what I get. Okay, so ooh, this one's very gothic. It has like a serrated type of pattern on it. I really like that one. Got another chain. Surprisingly, this haul was cheaper than the other one. So then just got some nice gold chain. She's pretty. I have to stop buying stuff. Okay, so I got some, this is a 925 silver beads, which this was $50. Like, oh my god. Then I got some gold plated spacer beads. Oh, this is 925. It even says it on there. See if I could flip the pattern over. It is a heart, enamel heart 925 little thing, and then this is gold filled chain link. These are super cute. These are like Chinese type of beads. Then I got 2 packs of my bead crimp beads. Ugh, I love crimp beads better. And this is just the gold plated version of the 925, and it's not 925 in there. Okay, so we're not done yet. Oh, my back's hurting. I'm just gonna open this up really quickly. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I was impulsive, but these are like mirror stickers. So like one side is sticky and one side is a mirror. And then over here, just not hard to open stuff. No scissors. So, like I said, I'm getting into pottery and clay making, and I want to try to add like tiles to my items. So, like, here's some tiles here, a few different colors, all mixed up. It's a rainbow. It even has pink to burgundy blue, light green, lime green, dark forest green, lavender, like red, teal, gray, all of it. Let's go to the next. It's really hard to open. Okay. Really protected in here. It's getting more time. Yeah, more time. I have to protect it. So, sorry. All that packing found out like that. So, let's take a look at her. So I got some more tiles because I really want to try to like have a certain look to my clay creations. So it comes in 2 sizes, this one and this one. The next bag of the same pattern. There's that. Then I got heart-shaped ones. See if it's these are heart-shaped tiles, and they come in like all the colors like the other one. I'll show you 4. So there's red, orange, lavender, and light pink. Like a little salmon pink. Super pretty. I like it. I hope I did not get more tiles because I don't. That is my problem. Not more towels. I'm too low. Okay, so okay, these are one look a little prettier. This one's kind of like defective, but they were like $2 for all this. So like, and they come in like cute little. Oh, I really like this. Oh my gosh, these are really pretty. Little serrated glass. Oh my god, cute. Even this one that's messed up. It has like oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay, so I'm sure I got more tiles because like I'm unwell. So let's do this. Open her up. Oh, this is something different. I just need to open it. Scissors would make this so easy. Oh my god. And get up and do scissors. My scissors. Lost it. Okay. So I'm done. Okay, these are ugly to me, but let's put them. So, they're like glass. They're stained glass pieces for like doing stained glass art, but I'm gonna use them differently. They're all fucked up. Excuse my language. They're all messed up. I mean, they can be pretty. If I make it. Make it to be pretty, I guess. Okay. Let's go to this other package. Okay. Got more little tiles. So these are so cute. I'm gonna do something cute with this. These are so cute. I'm gonna make some art with these. I'm getting back into doing art. That's the haul today.